my simple roasted tomato soup with broiled cheese toast.
Broiled cheese toast?
Right now. I'm roasting and I'm broiling. That's why I talk about the temperature is
Radical.
very important, okay?
We say you're broasting?
I am gonna broast. Yeah,
Okay.
I've got my baking sheet lined with some non-stick aluminum
Here we
foil.
go.
Non-stick.
I told you,
Never heard of this.
My everything.
Never heard of this.
Onto the sheet here. This is from you, GZ. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil.
Yeah, I gotta do that. Season the sheet.
And I'm gonna season the sheet. Some
Boom.
pepper and a nice pinch of salt. Then I've got some thyme, nice and fresh. I'm gonna put that on the sheet.
Loving where this is going right now.
Kind of put it out there, space it out. I've got some Roma tomatoes sliced.
Best.
Put them sliced side down. And then I've got a red bell pepper that you just seed. You can
RBP.
quarter it. Yeah, you can quarter it. And
This is great when tomatoes aren't in season.
yeah,
to
because it
roast
just
them.
concentrates the
Yeah.
flavor. Yeah. A red jalapeno or Fresno chili works as well.
Oh, it's good. That's a good flavor enhancer.
It is. Some garlic. I like to kind of plunk the garlic under the moisture so it doesn't burn in the
Three-card
roast.
Monty.
All right, so over the top, just like I did the actual sheet, gonna do some salt, pepper, olive oil. Like I said, this is gonna roast at 400 degrees, which is when you're roasting. 400 and above, you're roasting.
Yeah.
350, 375, oh, you're just baking.
Yeah.
All right, and GZ, if you don't mind pulling my pearl onions
Okay.
out of the freezer, one last freezer grab. All right, so these I love frozen straight onto the sheet. Pearl onions. All right, 400 degrees, 40 minutes.
me
These
get
are
that
going
for
to
you.
roast, okay?
You got this.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
This
This smells so good.
Thank
Man.
heavens you have Jeffrey here with you right
Yeah.
now, helping
Yeah.
you out. You actually
Okay.
complicated it for him.
I do.
This is what it looks like when it comes
Oh.
out.
Gorgeous.
Yeah,
Caramel
yeah,
is
good. I'll
goodness.
eat
I'll
that.
take some gaps. Scooping later. So I'm just gonna get this into my blender.
Oh,
Watch out,
now
GZ.
move.
Stems and everything from your time.
This is radical.
Really?
Yeah, I love it.
Listen, I love roasted tomato
So
soup.
do I. I do this a lot with
grew
cherry
up-
tomatoes or grape tomatoes.
Yeah, you get the little pint, 2 or 3 of those, and put them on a sheet or pan roast them. But today we're talking about the oven. And let me tell you something. When I came home from school growing up, my mom would have a snack. It was either fish sticks from the oven with grilled cheese or a can of tomato soup and cheese toast. So we're gonna do that. Matter of fact, GZ,
Yes, chef.
if you can help me make the cheese toast.
Okay.
So it's simple 2 ingredients. It's just white bread and processed cheese, okay? So just take that out of, have you seen this before?
I have once.
Okay. I've got the oven at broil on the very top oven. So you're gonna go into the oven on broil. It's a high broil. Some ovens have high or low broil.
Yeah.
So just do a high broil on the top rack. Make sure you change
So
the rack
I don't
before you
flip
turn
it?
the broiler.
I don't flip it?
You're not gonna flip it. I've got everything in.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Take
You
this
can't
good
waste that.
I can't.
No,
I don't want to.
that
I don't
is-
want to.
Concentration.
Oh, look at all those
Wow.
juices.
Get that in there.
Jeffrey.
Cover it up, and then just blitz away. Now, I always have a little bit of vegetable stock, chicken stock, any kind of stock on the side if I need to loosen.
Oh boy.
This actually looks really good.
You're
It
done.
really just depends on the moisture of everything that you put onto the tray, but look at this.
That quick, huh?
Wow.
Came together in like 3 seconds.
2 or 3 seconds, and you're done. I might stir a little bit in, just to loosen just a little bit.
Always put a couple touches
then I
of
like to
cream in
keep
there
it-
too if you want.
Sometimes at the end, a little swizzle of, I've been telling Katie Lee I've been doing Greek yogurt now.
Look at you.
A little bit of dollop at the end of my soups, but sour cream or heavy cream at the very end of that. And what Jeezy's doing right now is he is watching the broil, okay? I believe broiling should never be left, like especially if I'm doing like a meringue or I'm doing marshmallows.
You will forget it.
Yeah, like I do your smarros a lot, and those have marshmallows in the
You want
top.
any more?
More.
Oh.
Yeah, we want a little bit of color on the cheese.
Oy.
We would always put a little bit of mayonnaise on our grilled cheese.
Of course. I love
On the
it.
inside?
On the inside.
I don't know
And it
about
made
that.
the cheese extra
Yeah, should I take a
creamy.
look? Oh yeah, yeah, little burnt. I'll take it. I'll take it.
I like
Bring
it. You blew it.
No, I like a look. No, burnt is good. Trust
No,
me.
I mean,
Yeah,
you
touch
did
that.
Do not try this at home. All right, you can land it right here.
I mean,
The face.
This is the
This
money
is
maker.
it.
not bad, right?
Yes, this is it. I'll take the most burnt one because those were always my favorite. And then just put it right over the top. And there you have
That's
it.
so
Roasted
sweet.
tomato soup with a cheese toast topper. All right, now
That's
if
my
you
kind
want,
of
you can
crouton
kind of
right there.
serve it like that, and I'll pass it on over to you, Jeezy.
Oh,
Jeffrey, don't burn your mouth.
okay. I didn't see the soup. I was so busy watching the.
Just blitzed it.
Okay.
That's it, just blitzed it. I didn't even taste it for seasoning, but we seasoned the sheet, we seasoned the top. It should be good to go.
Wow, it's spicy.
Yeah,
It's delicious.
really? You
Yeah.
like it?
You know what's good about it? You taste everything you put in. It tastes like it's cooked for hours.
Yeah.
Because it's all deep and very satisfying. And I like how chunky it is. Oh, delicious.